Okay, here we have a 1905 Kenco battery fan. This was made by the Nap Electric Novelty Company. 1905. You can definitely see influence of the Nap Electric Novelty bipolar monopole motors from the 1890s in this fan. So they took that design of their novelty motors, toy motors, adapted that to a solid cast iron 3-footed base, more reminiscent of what fan collectors associate with an early fan design. So we have this neat little fan that has been completely restored to exact manufacturer specifications. So the original ad for this fan says it had nickel components as well as a nickel blade and nickel cage, which is exactly what we have here. With this design, Nap did a pivot for the motor and the base, so your fan can be wall mounted, which is a pretty neat design, and especially for this scale of a fan, it's a really neat and unusual application to a wall mounted fan like this. Single speed slide switch in the base. Again, very well done. Nickel blade, nickel cage, nickel components. Just a really neat fan. This fan, as specified, operates on 5 volts DC. The advertisement said that you could run your fan for 1 cent per hour in your home, office, or sick room. Again, a very unusual name to call a room your sick room, but just a really neat transition between utility motor design of the 1880s, 1890s over to more of a 1900 style fan, 1905 to late single digits. So this fan, 5 volts DC. Now, as we mentioned in the description on our website, this fan, at the time of its restoration, nickel plating blades is a bit of a skill and takes some fine tuning. My guess is what we're seeing here, the vibration from the fan while in operation, is due to an imbalance of the plating on the blade. So again, you would probably have to have the blade redone, or someone very skilled to trim off the weight associated with this imbalance. But fan runs great. I think we're at about 5 volts right here with its operation, and it's still moving a good bit of air and really sounds good. Really runs well. Beautiful little Nap Electric Novelty Company.